Welcome to the installation guide of Fishbone Off-Road Zipper Pulls. Universal for any vehicle and anything. First, depending on where you're installing the pulls, you'll need to use either a Lark's head knot, as shown, or a pair of pliers and a screwdriver. To extend a zipper or other tab, simply push the entire loop through an opening, followed by pulling the plastic tab through itself. If you wish to replace a zipper, gently insert a small screwdriver into the slider and pry the clip open. Remove the metal tab, followed by inserting the paracord. Finally, use your pliers to gently close the clip. And you're done.